EFCC vows to arrest Innoson Motors boss. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has vowed to ensure that innocent Chukwuma, chairman of Innoson Motors Nigeria Limited, faces fraud charges in court. This was contained in a statement by Wilson Uwujaren, head, media and publicity of the EFCC on Wednesday, after Justice Olusola Williams of the Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja, Lagos, struck out the case of fraud the commission instituted against Chukwuma. The judge struck out the case after the EFCC failed to produce Chukwuma in court to face trial. Chukwuma and his company, Innoson Motors Nigeria Limited, were to be arraigned on a 4-count charge of conspiracy to obtain by false pretenses, obtaining by false pretense, stealing and forgery. The defendants allegedly committed the offenses between 2009 and July 2011 in Lagos. The defendants were alleged to have conspired to obtain, by false pretenses, containers of motorcycles, spare parts and raw materials, property of Guarantee Trust Bank, from Mitsui OSK Lines Limited, Apapa, Lagos. They were also alleged to have fraudulently induced staff of Mitsui OSK and Maersk Line to deliver to them, via their clearing agents, the goods that were imported from China in the name of GTB by falsely pretending that they were authorized by the bank to clear the goods. The defendants were also said to have forged a bill of lading numbered 598,286,020 of Maersk Line Limited and 11,007,950,841 of Mitsui OSK Line by knowingly putting a false GTB stamp and signature of the bank staff. The alleged fraud was in order that the forged documents be used or acted upon as genuine to the prejudice of any person within Lagos or elsewhere. However, since the suit was instituted, first before Justice Olusola Williams of the same court, the defendant is said not to have appeared in court to face trial. In a ruling today, Justice Williams held that it was the responsibility of the EFCC to produce him in court. This court is not an investigator or a prosecutor. This court cannot waste precious judicial time prosecuting a matter that is going nowhere. This is a criminal matter that can be instituted anytime the prosecution is ready. The court hereby strikes out the matter, the judge held. On June 22, 2018, Justice had withdrawn from presiding over the matter on the recommendation of the National Judicial Council, NJC.